Hey Frugivore, I'm Freely. Welcome back to the Frugivore channel. So I just woke up and I'm super excited to show you the Frugivore Diet Forum. I've been working on this for quite a while. It's been revamped. It is live now. We're on there chatting, and it was formerly known as 30 Bananas a Day. And a lot of you will know that site or have heard of it because it used to be the most famous raw food and even vegan forum back in the day. And I've revamped it. I'm bringing it back, okay? So, but we are now the Frugivore Diet, and there's 31,000 frugivores on this site. So come and join us if this is something, if a raw food lifestyle is something that you are interested in, a fruit-based raw food lifestyle. And I put up a 30-day Frugivore Diet challenge starting 1st of January, which I think it's just perfect to bring in the new year feeling fresh and invigorated and positive, for the new year. So if you're keen to do a 30-day challenge, then I am going to be there helping you. And so I'm basically offering free coaching, okay? And I've been on a fruit-based lifestyle for 14 years, and I've been doing the Frugivore Diet since April 1st. So if you want to have basically free coaching, then I recommend that you try the 30-day Frugivore Diet Challenge. It's going to be amazing. Post your food there, your photos. We can all support each other. And I also put this welcome new and returning members of the Frugivore Diet, and I just explain a little bit about my intentions of bringing the site back and, about being 30 bananas a day. And also it cost me over $8,000, this site, over the years. And it now costs me over $1,100 per year. But you get to join and use all these resources for free. Okay, so I'm not asking you to pay anything. I want you to just come and join in the discussion, inspire each other, and let's create a fruity world. That is my dream. That frugivores start eating how they're meant to, which is a high fruit diet. And this is a raw food forum, okay? We do have high carb cooked vegan discussions in a group. We have groups where you can have raw till 4 discussions and everything like that, but we want to keep it raw on the forum to really help those who, don't want to be hearing about cooked food all the time and try to stay raw. So, heaps of discussions. We've got over 34,000. There's over 34,000 discussions on this site. It's such a fantastic resource if you want to change your life and go raw and just get the best advice there is. So this is the forum. We have the forum up here, and you can see all the discussions here, the featured, the main chat, off topic, meet and greet, hundreds of recipes, maybe thousands of recipes about veganism, science, the science of frugivorism, travel connections. And yeah, so check it out. You can check out your page, go to my page. You can find your discussions very easy, your blog, your friends. This sort of service usually costs people money, but I just want us to all come together and just create something freaking amazing here, okay? And just revamp the whole lifestyle. So you've got the comment wall, everyone's comments, friends, groups, everything like that. You can check them out. And photos, so many photos. If you need inspiration to actually eat this way and you want some recipes, there's so many photos. I think it's something like 38,000 photos or something like that. So we've got a lot of storage going on here. There's one of my photos. And if you want to talk about food forest stuff, everything, so it's great. Blogs. There's also blogs. So if you go to the forum, you can go to the videos. We've got thousands of videos, nearly 10,000 videos, like 11,000 blogs, 31,000 members, I think nearly 1,000 groups. Latest activity is down the side here. You can see people commenting and changing their profile picture and stuff like that. And this discussion here, the welcome to new and returning, Tom just 1 minute ago, Tom just replied, there's 21 replies, it's had nearly 800 views. So that's pretty good because the site has been down for quite a while because I've been working on it and I haven't been, I left raw myself for cooked, but I'm back. So I'm going to be contributing more on there for sure. And so, yeah, just take a look around. There's some things that I am still working on. I'm still tweaking. So just keep that in mind as you're searching around. And yeah, there's a phone version that I showed you in the side there as well. The phone version is probably what most of you are going to be looking on. And I just think it's cool that, we can take back some control of our information and forum by going away from Facebook, Instagram, these these like corporations like monopolizing like forums and your data and just stealing your data and everything like that. So, I think it's going to be much more freedom on this site for you. Okay, so if you want to join up, then fill out the form and I will take a look. And we just want people who are serious about this, okay? If I feel like someone's trolling, you won't be lasting long on this site, okay? And after all these years, I can recognize the trolls. But if you genuinely want to change your life, do a 30-day challenge, just bring in the new year as just a new person, as your best self, then this is going to be fantastic for you. Okay, don't forget to go fruit yourself and I'll see you on the site. And if you want more raw living foods recipes, then check out my ebook, Go Fruit Yourself, How I Lost 40 Pounds on a Raw Vegan Lifestyle. I have just completed the second updated edition that has a whole bunch of new recipes, around 30 of the best raw food recipes with pics and testimonials. The link is in the description below.